Addition up to 20. Hello young learners. Welcome to our numeracy lesson on addition. Today we will learn how to put numbers together to find out the total. Let us begin. Story example. Look at Ravi. He has 3 balls. Ankita gives him 2 more balls. Now Ravi has 5 balls in total. When we put things together, we are doing addition. The sign for addition is the plus sign. So we say 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Activity 1. Balloons. Now let's count the balloons. Count the first group. Count the second group. Put them together. How many balloons are there in total? Write the numbers with the plus and equal signs. The first group has 3 balloons, and the second group has 5 balloons. When we put them together, there are 8 balloons in total. So we say 3 plus 5 equals 8. Activity 2. Sticks. Look at the sticks. Count the first group. Count the second group. Add them together. How many sticks are there in total? Write the numbers with the plus and equal signs. See here. The first group has 12 sticks, and the second group has 7 sticks. When we put them together, there are 19 sticks in total. So we say 12 plus 7 equals 19. Well done, everyone. You have learned how to add numbers. Practice every day with things around you. See you next time. Bye-bye.